The design is the same, but the material changes everything, from machining to performance, finish, and cost. Choosing the right material can make a big difference. First, aluminum. It is one of the most popular CNC materials because it is lightweight, easy to machine, and cost-efficient. Its fast machining performance makes it ideal for prototypes, housings, brackets, and lightweight parts. Next, stainless steel. When strength and durability matter, stainless steel is a strong choice. It provides excellent strength and corrosion resistance. However, its hardness also means longer machining time and higher processing requirements. Then, brass. Brass offers excellent machinability, good conductivity, and a unique metallic appearance. It is suitable for precision components, small detailed parts, and applications where both function and appearance matter. So, which CNC material should you choose? The answer depends on what your part needs most. If lightweight, fast machining, and cost efficiency are your priorities, choose aluminum. If strength, durability, and corrosion resistance come first, choose stainless steel. If precision, machinability, conductivity, and appearance matter, brass may be the better choice. Material selection is only the beginning. The right surface finish can further improve the appearance and performance of your parts. There is no perfect material for every project. Choose the one that fits your design and bring your ideas to life with JLCCNC.